This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, let's go to the year 1348 and the quays of the Seine. You've probably heard of the Black Death or Blacl Plague before. Well, know that she arrived in France via Normandy. Indeed, during the summer of 1348, the deadliest epidemic in history arrived in France via Normandy, already weakened by the 100 Years' War. The Black Plague or Black Death will then spread throughout the Kingdom of France and even beyond its borders. But how did this Black Plague come about? Quite simply by merchant ships from England, which had sailed the seas of Asia. These boats dock in Rouen and on their shores, a few feverish sailors and rats. The latter carried fleas, contaminated with bacteria. This bacillus has been ravaging the Asian continent since the beginning of the 1330s. A single flea bite is enough to infect a human being. In a few days, the port of Rouen then sees people suffering from terrifying symptoms. It is for this reason that the authorities are building new cemeteries, including the Saint-Maclou cemetery, which you can visit for free today.